us move ahead. We have a newsletter release now. In order to manage the newsletter release, I would like to invite Toastmaster Tasneem. Toastmaster Tasneem.
Hi, am I audible? Yes?
Yes, yes.
Good evening, district and area leaders, dignitaries, fellow Toastmasters and guests. Thank you all for being with us this evening. Let me begin with a confession here. Last month, when our ExCom, led by our president, Toastmaster Rahim, planned to launch a newsletter as part of this 400th milestone meeting, I was super excited. But little did I know what was in store for me as the club VPPR. I was put in charge of it. Suddenly, all my excitement turned into anxiety. However, with the right guidance and support from my veteran fellow Toastmasters, I learned from scratch about the what's and what-nots of a newsletter. I must tell you all, we had initially planned a newsletter. To our amazement, we received around 28 articles from the members and leaders, and so we had to redesign it into a souvenir magazine. That is the kind of support, creativity, and encouragement we received from all the Toastmasters. Being the editor of this magazine has been a wonderful learning experience for me. I thank my entire editorial team, DTM Robin Berkeley, DTM Kishore Matthew, Toastmaster Miran Ibrahim, and Toastmaster Bismi for all the help, support, and guidance. Today, I can say I have not only become a better speaker and listener, but a better communicator for sure. My heartfelt thanks to DTM Robin Murky, who was always up and ready to clear all my doubts, no matter how busy he was or what time of the day it was. I have learned a lot from you, Robin. Thank you. I thank Ms. Amrita Kishore for the lovely magazine cover design. I also thank Toastmaster Jane Thomas for coming up with the title Creek Ripples. As Toastmasters, let us create ripples of radiance by improving and empowering ourselves. Today, it is with much pride and pleasure that I present this memorable souvenir. So now let's move on to the most significant part, the release of the souvenir magazine. For this, we have a Toastmaster who's very energetic, enthusiastic, and passionate. She's someone I really look up to. She has been a Toastmaster since 2013. In this short span of 7 years, she has earned many accolades. She is currently the PR manager of District 105. She has served as the Division Director of Division F in the year 2019-2020. She was awarded the Best Division Director of District 105 and Outstanding Toastmaster of District 105 in the year 2018-2019. She has also served as the Area Director of Area 5 in the year 2016-2017. She has been the club president 3 times, club secretary once, VP membership 2 times, and VP PR 6 times. Wow. Remarkable achievements in just 7 years. She's an absolute go-getter. It is my honor and pleasure to invite DTM Deepa Surendran for the release of our souvenir magazine. I would request all to unmute your mic and let's welcome DTM Deepa with a loud round of applause. DTM Deepa, the screen is yours.
Thank you, Toastmaster, champion speaker, Toastmaster Tasneem. When you are telling me that you are looking up to me, I want to say that I'm looking up to you because the speech you have delivered during DTAC was amazing. And the way you managed the entire, preparation time and how many times we met online that I can't remember now. So many times, and you were so cooperative and so cooperative. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Respected Program Quality Director, distinguished Toastmaster Gurvinder Pun, CGD DTM Rania, Division J Director, DTM Sujil, other division directors, Area 34 Director, and other area directors, senior Toastmasters, senior distinguished and respected Toastmasters, and charter members, and all those members of Greek Toastmasters Club. A very happy evening. I'm very privileged to be here today during this 400th meeting. And let me congratulate you for hitting these 4 centuries. What an achievement. If it is in cricket, it is huge. If it is in our real life, then also it is huge. Any aspects of life, it is huge. And in Toastmasters, it's really noteworthy to complete 400 meetings, 16 years, double to my age in Toastmasters, maybe. Oh my God, or more than that. As a club, in my opinion, whenever we get an opportunity, we need to celebrate, and we need to let the world know that, and that's exactly what our leaders, excom members are doing here. And I really appreciate the efforts taken by the senior members, DTM Robin, and the president Rahim, VPM Sangeeta, VP Jim, and all the senior Toastmasters of Greek Toastmasters Club. And I mean, it's really appreciable. Now the job given to me is to let the world know, or let the world see the efforts taken by our VPPR and the editorial committee. After doing so much of effort, collecting articles from, as Tasneem has just mentioned, 28 people from the senior Toastmasters. The newsletter has, the Greek Cripples has come out very well. Now it's my responsibility, my privilege to release the newsletter. Let's go through the newsletter just now. Let me share the screen. Give me a second. I hope you can see this. Yes?
Yes.
Really good, right? And big round of applause, please, everybody. So, moment of pride. Okay, now we have our president's address over here, message over here, Toastmaster Rahim, and then editors. Yes, editorial team is here, Toastmaster Miran Saab, Beena, and DTM Robin, DTM Kishore, and Tasneem. And we have the content, that we'll see. The XCOM, you all know who our XCOM is. Then goes our district director, DTM Nelson's message is here, and we can see some photos over here. And our program quality director, club growth director. I can't hear you. Anybody, anything you're speaking?
No, please continue, Deep.
Okay, thank you. And this is mine, the PR manager. And again, we have some memories, 16 years of stories of Greek Toastmasters Club. It's really great to see all those moments captured over here. I request all of you, our division director, DTM Sujil, his message over here. And then I request all of you to just read it thoroughly 2-3 times. That much of effort has been put into this Greek Ripples. DTM Nagbhushan Balaji's message, and our logistic manager, DTM Anil. And this is the history of the club with all the club presidents mentioned over here from 2004. Yeah, the charter president, Toastmaster, he just spoke to all of us from Australia, and we can see all the stalwarts of Greek. Then the member achievement, yeah, area directors, past area director and current area director. Toastmaster Saud is also gave a message for the Greek Ripples. I hope you all will take time to see and read and then devour the beautiful magazine, as Tasneem just mentioned. Just now it's halfway through only, yeah? Miran Saib's KK. Oh my God, there's a QSA as well. and charter member Toastmaster Thomas Joseph, Toastmaster Gauri Shankar, PTM Kishore, all memories. Our Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Manu Rigurajan as well, Toastmaster Rajiv, everybody, I think, all the, contributors or whoever remembers Creek as their main reason for their growth in their career or the personal or professional life, Bismi, our past president, and our champions photo is also there. Toastmaster Praveen has given a message. Then comes the Chanakya of Creek Toastmasters Club, DTM Robin. Milestones. That is today's meeting. So with that, the last page. So now what we can see over here is, such a brilliant newsletter has come out from our PR team in a month's time. That shows, nothing is impossible. That's what I want to mention. 16 years of journey, 16 years of stories I've compiled into a magazine. Now, my wish from my side is, 500th meeting, 600th meeting, let it go on with such, creating such great people coming out of Creek Toastmasters Club, and I want to attend the 1000th meeting as well. So please do remember me. Let me hand over the screen back to our VPPR Toastmaster Tasneem. Thank you very much.
Thank you, DTM Deepa. Thanks a lot. That was my first venture, and thanks to my editorial team once again. Thank you. Over to you, TM Modi, Manu, Ravindran.
Thank you so much. That was wonderful. And I think we all have to read the ripples. Sorry. It is approximately 40 or 45 pages.